This is breaking news coming from Guy News. We have a special report coming from the coasts of California that citizens have reported seeing a higher sea level than before. The NOAA conducted a report that the sea level has risen by 3 inches in just a few days. The United States government has declared that all citizens should use gas and electricity only when needed to prevent further rising sea levels. Another report.
This is not a test. A 5.4 magnitude earthquake in your area including San Francisco, Monterey, and Santa Cruz. Please get to a stable shelter immediately and hold onto and under a stable object. Aftershocks will be imminent after the earthquake is finished. Please get to a stable shelter immediately and hold onto and under a stable object.
This is breaking news coming from Guy News.
After the earthquake incident in coastal areas of California, many citizens in the local area were significantly affected. The earthquake caused 34 injuries and 3 deaths. This may be due to the recent sea level rise of 3 inches in the last few days. Stay alert for more news, and let's look at the weather. It is around 66 degrees as of now in Sacramento, California. We are expecting some heavy rain in just a few hours, and possible flooding of up to 3 feet. Remember to stay safe, secure and resilient.
The following message is being transmitted by the National Weather Service for Toronto, Ontario. This is not a test. Huge amounts of snowfall that is around 3 to 5 feet are reported to hit the affected area within a few hours. Please find the necessary needs like shelter, food, heat, toiletries, and electricity. Do not panic, as panicking can make the situation worse for you and others.
The following message is being transmitted by the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. This is not a test. The affected areas include Kamakura. As of now, a tsunami as big as 60 feet is rushing toward the coastline of Kamakura and may cause significant damage. Please go inland or high up to avoid danger for the safety of you and others.
This is a message from the United States President. Around the world, there have been many disastrous events going on, causing many deaths and injuries. We have suspected that this may be due to the fast rising of the sea level, which it has risen now around 3 more inches. This is definitely not climate change or global warming, but it is something much, much worse. We are starting to investigate this situation, but we will stay strong, secure, and resilient. Signing off.
Please wait for a message. Please wait for a message. Please wait for a message. The NOAA has issued a tsunami warning for Miami, Florida. We have also made a shocking discovery that a huge kingdom underwater, with living creatures from an unknown origin, has been spotted. This kingdom has been spotted rising sea levels and causing many natural disasters. The tsunami is direct to hit in half an hour, so go inland and/or get on a high elevation. Stay safe, secure, and resilient.
This is a regional emergency for the United Kingdom. An unexpected change in elevation is starting to occur, where our entire country is starting to rise. Please hold on to something sturdy and/or take shelter in a sturdy building. Cellular and internet may not be available after this event, so communication will most likely be gone. This may be due to the NOAA finding an underwater kingdom that is attacking us. Military has been sent down to counter this situation. This is a regional emergency for the United Kingdom. An unexpected change in elevation is starting to occur, where our entire country is starting to rise. Please hold on to something sturdy and/or take shelter in a sturdy building. Cellular and internet may not be available after this event, so communication will most likely be gone. This may be due to the NOAA finding an underwater kingdom that is attacking us. Military has been sent down to counter this situation.
The following message was being transmitted by the New York Police Department. This is not a test. A recent broadcast hijacked systems all around the world where this underwater kingdom is going to attack us. Many fish-like creatures that have superhuman strength have risen from the seas and are heading straight towards people. They show no mercy and will kill on sight.
Your local police are being dispatched and only call 911 for earthquake evacuation.